My name is Kwame Poku. I'm actually the BMW Genius here, and one thing we're going to demonstrate today is what to happen if you can't get inside of your BMW, okay? So a lot of times, everyone sees the cap here for you to be able to get in, and the thought process is trying to maybe get something to get it out. That is not the way to do it, okay? The best way to do it is you have to use both your hands, okay? You're going to use one hand to pull, and then you're going to take your other index finger, put it right behind here, and then you push. Once you're able to push it, that's how you're going to be able to release it, and you can get the extra key fob out to go ahead and unlock it. So you see, right here, you're going to press the button, push forward, take the cap off, and then we can use our valet key right here if your BMW ever dies, to get inside your car. Oh, hold on a second. To get inside your car. So we can unlock it. So, very easy to snap this back into place. The little bottom piece right here, you just let it clip back here, and then you just able to push in, and it snaps. Once it's snapped, literally, you could not get it out from the outside. So that's one way to snap it back in. You're ruining my shot. Huh? I'll deal with you later.